In example 1, we're asked to find the measure of each interior angle of Pentagon A, B, C, D, and E. So it's important to remember our formula to find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a pentagon. We're always going to take the number of sides, subtract 2, and multiply it by 180. This will give us 3 times 180, which is equal to 540. That means, in the end, when I sum up all angle measures, A through E, they should come out to equal 540 degrees. So let's write the equation. Now we can combine our like terms. When we combine like terms, we'll have 135C is equal to 540 degrees. Now we can divide by 135 and find our value of C to equal 4. Now we can take that value of C and substitute it back in to find our angle measures. Angle A should be equal to 35 times 4, which is 140 degrees. Angle B is 18 times 4, which is 72 degrees. You can find the remaining angle measures using the value of 4 for C. In our next example, we're asked to find the measure of each interior and exterior angle of a regular 20gon. Well, remember, a regular polygon means that all angles and all sides are congruent. So we first are going to start off by finding the sum of all congruent 20 interior angles of a regular 20gon. We do that by saying n minus 2 times 180. N is the number of angles, so that's going to be 18 now times 180, which will result in 3,240. And now we need to take that sum of all 20 interior angles and divide that evenly amongst those 20 angles. So we need to divide 3,240 by 20, and when we do so, we'll get 162 degrees. So each interior measure is 162 degrees. Now remember, the exterior angles, no matter what type of polygon we have, always add up to equal 360 degrees. So we can simply take that 360 and divide it equally among those 20 exterior angles, and we do so, we'll get 18 degrees. Also keep in mind your interior and your exterior angles at any vertex point and a regular polygon should add up to equal 180 degrees. In our final example for today, we're asked to find the value of B in the diagram that we're given here. We can see that B is part of the expression for each one of these exterior angles in our polygon. So we know the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon always adds up to equal 360 degrees. So I'm going to write an equation that adds up all of these terms, my exterior angles, and sets that equal to 360. Now we're going to combine our like terms. When we combine all these like terms, that comes to 120b is equal to 360. Divide both sides by 120, and my value for b is 3. Now I can take that value b and plug that back into my expressions for each one of these angles and find each angle measure at that exterior angle. For example, if I wanted to find the measure of the exterior angle here at F, then the exterior angle at F would be 15 times 3, which is equal to 45 degrees.